how do you survey your target audience without seeming intrusive? Yeah. So I use SurveyMonkey. And what I do and what I've done before is I've actually sent out surveys to my students to ask them, what should I teach next? And so I wouldn't do it right away. I do it after you publish a couple of courses. And then just send a survey to all your students. And within Udemy, you can send 4 educational announcements per month. I think you can send surveys as well. And I did that actually. And the reason why I made the course the Complete Financial Analyst course is because my students asked for it through a survey. And I'll show you how to do that. So let's go here to SurveyMonkey. SurveyMonkey.com. And this is what I've actually done is right here. Let me see if I can even log in if it's going to remember me. Okay, so I've got 210 responses for a recent survey. So I asked people in my courses, what cryptocurrency should I add to the course? And how did you hear about the MBA degree program? So here, what I do is after somebody buys the MBA degree program I have, the silver version, after they click buy, on the landing page, after the payment's been made, there's a little link that says, optional, please let me know how you heard about this program. And so we can analyze the results here. And so here it is. It's actually pretty powerful. So right here, 41% heard about my MBA degree program through Udemy, 24% through my website, HarounEducation.com. And then here, I guess the same thing. It's only 4 people heard about it from my weekly YouTube live webcast. And then here, Google, I guess, miscellaneous YouTube, and then other. Yeah. And then for other, I'll read about them as well to see what people had to say. You always want to provide other. So Facebook via entrepreneurship, the Financial Post in Canada where we advertise. My uncle Mo Abramson, who this is Elon, one of my amazing students, and his uncle Mo's in my class as well. Yeah. So I think it's great. You can get, I think, really, really cheap plans, or you can pay up to get something a little bit more sophisticated in terms of Q&A. And you can even pay SurveyMonkey something like $50. And you can select the demographics and region of the world where you want to do a custom survey.